Hello, good morning. It's me again, Jomar here. We're gonna do today, this morning, April 24th. It's a beautiful autumn Saturday. Beautiful weather. We're gonna do the Tuluna circuit at the Lamington National Park. It's an 18-kilometer walk across several beautiful rainforests and waterfalls. I don't know much to expect because it's my first time to be here. Hopefully it's going to be a fantastic walk. Yeah, so we'll take some pictures along the way and share it to all of you after the trip. So see you soon. By the way, I'm here with Rogerio here. So he was the one who conned me to go to this walk. So hopefully it's worth it. Okay, bye. One, yes, it's a long walk, but it was very good. I saw many waterfalls. Yes, and the weather is amazing. Autumn weather, I love it. Well, this is it. I'll be finishing soon, so I just want to say happy Saturday to everybody, and look after yourself. And remember, health is wealth. Bye. See you next time.